everyone. Today is Tuesday. Let's see what letters are in the word Tuesday. 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 Tomorrow will be Windy Wednesday. Yesterday was a Money Monday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. We have new vocabulary words. Are you ready? Our first word is earth. 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 Home to you and me. Earth. Our second word is planting. 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 Word number 3 is tree. 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 Your fourth word is recycle. 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 Do you recycle at home? Look, the girl recycles newspaper, plastic, and cans. Our last word is Earth Day. Earth Day is a time that we remember how to take care of our Earth. We spell Earth Day Earthday. Since Earth Day is a holiday and a proper noun, it starts with an uppercase E and an uppercase D. Earth Day. Good work. Friends, in my office, I have a special flower pot. Remember our vocabulary word, flower pot? A flower pot is a place to plant and grow flowers. Inside my flower pot, I have some fun, small finger puppets. Today, I want to show you my finger puppets. Are you ready? Check it out. My first finger puppet is the Queen of Hearts. Ah! She is from the story Alice in Wonderland. She is the character that says, "Off with her head!" Ah! This is the Queen of Hearts. The second finger puppet in my flower pot is the Mad Hatter. He wears a hat and he's kind of mad, but he is very kind to the character Alice in the book. Check him out. Hello, I'm the Mad Hatter. What's your name? The next puppet I have is one of my favorite characters in the book, the Cheshire Cat. He smiles and talks to Alice and all the other characters. Meow. And the last puppet I have is one of the most important characters in Alice and Wonderland. It is Alice. Alice is the girl that visits Wonderland and meets all the other characters. So we have met Alice, the Cheshire Cat, meow, the Mad Hatter, hello, and last, the Queen of Hearts. Off with her head! Which of these characters do you like best? The Queen of Hearts, Alice, the Cheshire Cat, or the Mad Hatter? They are all part of a wonderful story. Friends, tell my friends goodbye. Goodbye! Goodbye! Meow meow! Goodbye! Goodbye, Miss Bowers class. I'm gonna read a book. One Duck Stuck. This book has tons of numbers in it. Listen carefully for the numbers. One duck stuck. Down by the marsh, the sleepy, slimy marsh, one duck gets stuck in the muck. Down by the deep green grass. Look, he's stuck. He says, "Help! Help! Who can help? Who can help the duck?" We can. Two fish, tails going swish, swim to the duck, splish, splash. No luck. The duck stays stuck, deep in the muck down by the squishy, fishy marsh. What is the duck going to say? Help! Help! Who can help? Who is coming now? We can! We can! Three moose munching on spruce plod to the duck, clump, clump. No luck. The duck stays stuck, deep in the muck, down by the swampy, chompy marsh. What is the duck going to say? Help! Help! Who can help? Who is coming to help now? We can. Four crickets clinging to the thickets leap to the duck, pleep, pleep. No luck. The duck stays stuck, deep in the muck, down by the prickly, sticky marsh. What is the duck going to say? Help! Help! Who can help? Who is coming to help next? We can! Five frogs hopping on logs jump to the duck. Plop, plop. No luck. The duck stays stuck, deep in the muck, down by the creaky, croaky marsh. I think you know what the duck is going to say. Help! Help! Who can help? Who is coming to help now? Oh, we can. We can. Six skunks climbing over trunks crawl to the duck. Plunk, plunk. No luck. The duck stays stuck deep in the muck down by the soggy, loggy marsh. What is that duck going to say? Help! Help! Who can help? The duck is calling for help. Who will help next? We can! We can! 7 snails, making slippery trails, slide to the duck. Sloosh, sloosh. No luck. The duck stays stuck deep in the muck down by the slippery, sloppy marsh. What is the duck going to say? Help! Help! Who can help? Who can help this poor duck? Who is coming? Oh, we can. 8 possums, nibbling on blossoms, crawl to the duck. Slush, slush. No luck. The duck stays stuck deep in the muck down by the reedy, reedy marsh. What is the duck going to say? Help! Help! Who can help? Who is coming now? Oh, we can, we can. 9 snakes, leaving little wakes, slither to the duck. Slink, slink. No luck. The duck stays stuck deep in the muck down by the messy, mossy marsh. What is the duck going to say? Help! Help! Who can help? The duck needs help. Ha! We can! We can! 10 dragonflies zooming through the skies whir to the duck. Zing, zing. No luck. The duck stays stuck deep in the muck down by the muggy, buggy marsh. What is the duck going to say? Who can help? Is someone going to be able to help the duck? Look, we can, we can. It's everyone. Everyone comes to help. Let's see. Splish, chomp, pleep, plop, plunk, sloosh, slosh, slink, zing. They're all helping. Do you think it will help? They all help the duck who got stuck in the muck. Look, they helped him. He has 2 feet out of the mud. Hooray! Spluck! Look, he pulls his foot out. He's been helped. Thanks, said the duck, who got stuck in the muck, way down in the deep green marsh. Did he get stuck again? No, he flew away. Good job, duck. So many people had to come help the duck. If you heard the duck saying, help, help, who can help? Would you try to help the duck? Let me know on Remind. Great listening to this story. Bye-bye.